Elephants, including African and Asian elephants, grow tusks. Unfortunately, their precious ivory tusks make them a target to hunters and poachers. Although elephant hunting is outlawed by most countries, they are illegally hunted, and their ivory tusks are sold and bought illegally, especially in Africa. Many groups have made attempts to stop the hunting of elephants, but these efforts have been futile. We can provide a different approach. Instead of protecting the elephants, we can discourage the hunters. As a major biotechnology company, it is our duty to seek out problems like these and make every attempt to solve it and correct the possible imbalance before elephants are driven to extinction. Through biotechnology, we have developed a solution to this problem. By implementing this solution, hunting of elephants will cease to exist, and once again, the elephant population will be free to grow and escape the endangered list. Our solution uses modern biotechnology to its extent. This means we will be using genetic modification to alter our subjects in a way that discourages their hunting. It involves a special gene implant that makes the liver of the elephant overproduce a special type of substance that dissolves its entire skeleton immediately after its death. Since the tusks are part of the skeletons, the tusks will be destroyed. Since it cannot affect elephants that have already grown, the gene will have to be inserted when an elephant is in the embryonic stage. The process of genetic modification involves analyzing the DNA in the liver tissue of an elephant and inserting a sequence of DNA so that it will only activate once the elephant's heart stops beating. By using this method, hunters will no longer profit from hunting elephants, as their tusks will dissolve very soon after death. Our new gene will not affect the elephants that are alive right now, they will affect the next generation of elephants, their offspring. Although they may still be killed, hunters will be greatly discouraged and eventually will stop hunting as they will not be getting any profits. However, implementation of this method is not easy. To make sure we are preserving the species, we must track every elephant on Earth and when they reproduce. We must genetically modify their DNA to show the changes in their offspring. This way, the next generation of elephants will have the special gene that destroys their tusks after death. We must also make sure that this gene is dominant so that there will be no excluded elephants. After hearing our proposal, you may think there are much more simple and easier solutions to this problem than genetically modifying their DNA. In fact, there are no other viable options than the one we showed you. We cannot simply remove the tusk altogether from elephant DNA because they use their tusks as a tool for survival, and we cannot affect their survival in the wild. Another option would be to increase security and even bring all elephants into artificial habitats to protect them from hunters. While this would work, it would be far more expensive than our solution. In addition, it does not completely protect the animals. In conclusion, destroying the tusks after an elephant dies is the best solution to protect them from hunters. We would use biotechnology to alter elephants' genes so their tusks will no longer be of any use to a hunter. It may take a while to put into effect, but it is a foolproof method of stopping hunters from killing any more elephants because of their tusks.